today. It's Kristen, and this week, my 3 questions were: what do I do if a student isn't understanding my lesson that I'm teaching? How can I push my students? And when planning a lesson, how do I know when to stop planning? So let's start with the first question. And I didn't really find much on this topic, but my mom works at a elementary school. So I was just like having a conversation with her, and she was just explaining to me that we need to learn how to teach in different ways. So a student, if they're not getting the way we're teaching, we will be able to get that thought to them, or that point across to them in a different way. And one of the things that she brought up to me is that becoming a master of what you're teaching, and obviously that we're going to learn as we go, and as we go we will learn that, but we can learn from our peers, from websites, from group chats. Now the second question, how can I push my students? My peers really gave me some good advice on this, and they said make your classroom a safe place, and I really agree with this, because it allows, by me creating an environment that allows my students to feel comfortable, allows my students to feel safe, they'll be able to grow. And then another classmate told me, or gave me a good website with a lot of good tips on how to help a student and how to teach. So let's go on to the third question. It's, when planning a lesson, how do I know when to stop? And I have a really bad habit of thinking that I can do better. I'm really pushing myself to be a perfectionist. But someone told me that having a flexible attitude is key in knowing that we're human. Is also important, because knowing that we're not perfect, but as the years go by, we will be able to progress and really perfect our lessons. So yeah, that's what I learned this week from my peers and from the questions. I really liked the websites that my peers gave me, and I will put them down in the, actually I think it's that way, in the PowerPoint. So thank you so much. You all have a nice day.